Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today I'm using this liquid silicone squishy kit by Jdiction. So it is very simple to use. It is a silicone that when cured, it is so soft that you can play with that. So usually it is used for making squishies. So I have made few squishies and I have used this product, and I will link that in my description or above here so you can see more videos that what I did. But for now, I am just simply mixing it, and it is simple 1 to 1, very easy to mix. So here I have simply mixed both part and I'm just mixing it. You have to mix it around 3 to 4 minutes. It is very in a liquid form, so very easy to use. So here I'm going to use the pigments that come in the kit. You can use them to color your silicone. And this is the cat paw that I'm going to use today. So I will divide my silicone into two parts. So I am coloring my silicone with the white pigment, and then I'm going to mix another color that is a red one. So here I'm simply mixing it. So you can add the color more if you want it to be more opaque, white color. It's really up to you. And you can also use mica powders also. So here I think I'm going to add a little bit more. So here I added some mica powder. It is a pearl mica powder just to give that shimmer effect. So that's the reason I have used it. Just simply mix it and make sure that you mix the mica. And in this one, I added the red pigment paste from the colors. And I think it is a very bright red. I don't need to add any more. So I've mixed two colors for my paw. So I'm going to pour the red first. So actually the white that I've mixed is for another project, but the same white I will be using for this pour, but that will be after some time when this base layer will cure, because if I'm going to pour both at once, it's going to mix up and I don't get the desired effect I want. So for now, this is going to be the first layer and it has cured. I gave it a day and now this is the second day. Same way I've mixed it and now I leave this to cure. So this is the next day. It is all cured. Now I'm going to remove it out of the mold. So you can see it is still squishy, but it is cured. Don't worry about that. So I'm always so fascinated by this that the silicone do not stick itself to the silicone and you can remove it out of the mold. But what I have noticed that when you mix a fresh silicone and if you let it cure and then pour the next layer, it do cures itself. I think these molds are pre-made, so that's the reason. So in this kit you get two of these. There is one that has a salty effect, a sand-like, and the other one has a fur. So I am using this one, the fur one. And simply I'm just putting it into the box here. You can put it into the box and then shake it also, but I'm doing it by hands. So I'm just simply applying the fur. It will make it sticky free and then also give it the cuteness and that reality of a soft fur. So this is the first thing that I made for this project, and now on to the actual project. It is how it is looking like. So on to the project, and for my project I have taken my trinket dish here, and now this is really fun. You can make whatever way you want. You can make coasters, you can make big trays, small trays. I took this one. So for today, I am not following any specific technique. I'm just working with my free mind. It is sometimes necessary to do work with free mind. It is because creating a technique is always a pressure. So this is a very cute idea and you will see what I am talking about. I'm just applying this and making this into a very light mood fantasy sort of trinket dish. There are a lot of colors in the chameleon powder kit. You can use a lot of them. And just simply applying this. And then for the area here, I have mixed this pink resin and I'm going to pour that. And then I will leave this to cure and then do a second layer. Just going for a little contrast. and then I leave this to cure. So this is the next day, and for my second layer I use these light wish starry color series. It is so lovely. So I mix two colors. I mix the purple and violet and the red color in this one, in this clear resin, and I'm just simply pouring it. As I explained that I want to keep it bit simple this time. And after that I will leave this to cure, and I will see you next day. So this is the next day and time to demold. I'm super excited to see, because usually I do projects that are a bit on the tougher side and with a lot of steps. This one is a bit relaxing sort of uh, project. So this is out of the mold, and here how it is looking like. Really soft, lovely, with that hint of the mica powders and then the chameleon flakes. If you use a background that is dark, yeah, I know that it's going to show more, but then as I explained that this time I'm just going simple. So this is how the dish looks like. Now I have mixed some more resin and I added some opal flakes, more of them, into the resin. So here I am going to pour this resin, and it will do two things. One, this is going to be the top coat, and second, you will see in a moment what I'm talking about. I'm going to spread this. I don't want a very thick layer, just a simple thin layer. And with the heat of heat gun, I'm going to move this resin. So this will help my resin to get bubble free. And the resin that I'm using here is the high gloss epoxy resin by Jdiction. It has such a beautiful finish. I'm really impressed by that resin. So after this layer is done, it is not cured. I'm going to use this layer as a glue, and this is the squishy that I made, and I'm going to put this onto the wet resin so that it cures with this squishy. And I was thinking that it is going to be such a lovely dish. I'm thinking of using the two paws, but I think one is enough because it is a trinket dish, and you can make it a sensory sort of, you can say, playful trinket dish if you want to keep it for yourself, and or if you want to give it as a gift for to your friends who have lovely furry friends. They can really enjoy the softness of this squishy, and then along with that, this trinket dish, you can add some words also. I didn't use any words today, I just kept it simple like that. So I was thinking of squeezing this inside at until the last minute, but then I don't think so, because this one is enough. So to me, this was looking, I think this is beautiful on its own. It is simple. You can add some words and make it as a gift. And for now, I'm just doing a top coat onto the rim also. But then I was thinking, while I was doing that, I was thinking that to me, it was looking empty. So I was thinking of different ways to fill that up a little bit. A lot of things were coming to my mind. You can use crystals also, but this time I didn't use any crystals. Then I thought that I have a very small paw mold also. I'm going to use that. So I made some simple paws, and they are very simple, just transparent, and then I'm going to do color them, and you will see what I'm talking about after doing this. As they were clear, I'm going to use this acrylic marker by Let's Resin. They are so fun to use. I use them in a lot of resin projects, and today I'm just going to show you. So these are the one that I'm talking about. I'm sorry I couldn't find the mold, it was lost, but I will link this in my description if you like to treat yourself. It is such a cute one. Again, you can make smaller squishies also, but I just made them into resin. I'm just coloring it into the red color by the help of the acrylic marker. And then you can use some UV resin on top of it and just cure it under the UV lamp, so it will make it permanent. And here we go. Simply, I'm just placing it, and as soon as I placed it there, I think it is lovely, looking more cuter. Just added some more poles. Just a little bit of fillers, that's it. So I'm adding some more poles. So this is almost done. I will leave this to cure and I will show you the final look. So this is the final look, just a simple trinket dish with that lovely sensory sort of squishy, a tray that you can feel and you just press and you can play with it. So a question I might get is that do that squishy will come off? So if it do comes off, you can use some super glue and just put it back to the place, and I don't think so it's going to move anywhere. But for now I was trying to move it and it was not moving away, so I think I'm leaving it like that. But if you feel any problem, you can do that. And here is the fun part. I think this is going to be a very lovely gift for your friend if they have furry friends, cats, dogs. You can also customize them into the actual colors of the paws your friends have or you have yourself. Because as soon as I made this one, my little one came to me and said that she has a friend, her birthday is coming up and she loves cats. So I think this is a lovely gift for her. And I thought, wow, way to go. So this made me smile when my little ones comes to me and tell me that they love my, because they speak the truth and they do tell me when I overdo my project. And then you lovely lot that every always tell me that you like my projects, you leave such lovely comments on them, lovely feedback, suggestions, helpful hints, and then giving me ideas. I am so, you can say, blessed to have so many amazing friends among me and always telling me that what I have made and what I can made. So thank you so much for that. You all are always so supportive. So that's it for today, and I hope you liked today's project. It was a bit different, and I think so that everyone will enjoy this, even the kids also. So like, subscribe, and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so and take very good care of yourself. Bye bye.